Stellar Repair for Exchange helps you to export recovered Exchange mailboxes to Office 365 in a few simple steps. Let's see how does it work. Download now to export all recovered mailboxes to Office 365. Efficient software enables free preview of all mailbox items. Get assured with 100% data integrity and precision. On Main Interface, you can see two options. Browse the current EDB file or find it if you don't know the location. Let's browse the corrupt EDB file and see how it works. Click on Next to initiate the scanning process. You can see two scanning options. Quick Scan option is the fast mode to scan and repair corrupt EDB file. If the EDB corruption is very serious, it is advisable to choose the Extensive Scan option to repair the corrupt EDB file extensively for better results. Here I am choosing Quick Scan option and click OK. Now relax. Software is in process to scan full EDB file. As per the size of EDB, it may take some time to repair the file. After completion of process, you can preview all the recovered mailboxes and its respective components, which you can check through left panel. Click on Save. To export recovered mailboxes directly to Office 365, select Export Office 365 option and click on Next. Enter login details. Here enter the profile name and password of Outlook profile that is having administrative rights. Click on OK to start the process. In the Map Mailboxes window, select the mailbox in which you want to export recovered mailboxes. This colors present the action. Let's understand. Red. This means that mailboxes are unmapped. You can manually map it with Edit option. Green. This means that mailboxes are successfully mapped as per the closest username on Office 365. You can change destination mailbox with Edit option. As a sample, I have mapped Adam mailbox under Source with Adam under Destination. Later, we will see the mapped movement and live preview of the mailbox. As per your urgency and priority, you can change the priority to repair the critical mailboxes first. By default, the mailboxes are listed in alphabetical order. Click Export to export source mailboxes to destination mailboxes, and you could check. The smart software gives you feasibility to check the status of mailbox saving process, which is categorized as completed, processing, pending, aborted, or removed. Here, you could also check how many items are processed. The customization feature adds feasibility to remove a mailbox from the list using the Remove action button or stop the entire mailbox saving process by clicking on Stop All button, as per your requirement. Now you can see Saving Completed confirmation dialog box. In order to see recovered mails of Adam on Office 365, let's log in. As you can preview all recovered mails of Adam. Finally, you have successfully exported your recovered mailboxes directly to Office 365. Thanks for watching.